Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Google Sheet tutorial how to combine cells. So for example, I will create border. You can click this border tools and I will use this option. Next, if you want to combine cells, you can select the cells. I will select in here, in row, and then you can click these icons to combine cells. I will select again, rows and column. Click these icons to combine. If you want to uncombine or unmerge, you can select and then you can click drop down menu and then click unmerge. You can create against the border. So to combine, you can sort the cells, row and columns like this. And then you can click these icons to combine. Okay, that's it for basic Google Sheet tutorial, how to combine cells. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.